Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo and the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. And with the microphone I'm pretty sure there's no Linux on it. With the Pocket 2, well, I wouldn't be surprised it wouldn't be Linux either. And you might wonder, why am I featuring this on my channel? Well, I bought this for some other project, but in the future I want to do video editing on Linux. So this is the hardware that I bought as a preparation for video editing on Linux. So I'll just start with the microphone. Let's see. Okay. There's the thing here. Let's see if it wants to come out. Not very easily, but there it is. Okay, so this is the usual paperwork, warranty, and some small manual. So this is what they call a dead cat, and this is when you're recording outside, or for instance when there's some wind coming from an air conditioning, and this should block the noise coming from the wind. So here is the microphone itself with the audio plug. Well, here is the mount, and it's a shock mount. I've read some reviews and they say this shock mount is not really that good because it's quite rigid, so probably doesn't help that much against shocks, but at least it should help a little bit. And so here's the screw, and you can also use it as a cold shoe. So comes like this. There's the cables, and I think one is for Android phones and the other one for the iPhone, I think. Here it says smartphone, so I'm not really sure if this is like iPhone or just regular, who knows. Some silica to keep moisture away, and a leather pouch with the Boya branding. Well, as you could see, the microphone box is actually much bigger than the DJI box. And this is the creator combo, so it's not just the video camera with the gimbal, but it also comes with a widescreen lens and the wireless microphone, the tripod mount, not sure what that is, but okay. So let's see if we can take off the plastic. And the tripod mount also has a audio jack. So let's see if it wants to come out. Or am I doing it wrong? Who knows? Oh, yeah, looks like I was doing it wrong. So from this side, so let's see. It's always like this. Let's see how easy it is to get it out. Should I just... Okay. Oops. It's ready. Switching on. It says no SD card. Focusing failed. Well, that's because there's still some plastic on it. And, well, also some plastic here. And, well, perhaps it's better to switch it off. Okay. So there's also some more plastic. There's some text on it. So this is probably just for the transportation. Okay. So now yes, now it's able to move freely. So at least it's seems to be working. I'll switch it off again. Okay. So far, so good. So what's this? Okay, so this is the dead cat for the wireless microphone, I assume. This looks like the wide angle lens that you can put over it magnetically. So let's see. Hello. Hello. Don't be annoying. Oh, like that. Let's see what we have more in here. I think this is the handle if you want to operate it without connecting a phone. So I think that one goes here. At least I think it does, or it should. Or that I should just do it like, oops, yeah, like this or not. Oh. Oh. I think it should go like this. Yep, like that. That is the connector for the phone. So that one should just plug right there instead of the handle that's currently there. And I think this is for connecting an iPhone, which I don't have, so some silica, and we have a lanyard, and this is probably the charging cable. And then we have, oops, probably, yeah, some more paperwork. This is the tripod mount. And there is a release latch here. So, like I would expect like this, but interesting. Or should this part come off? The bottom part. Yeah, the bottom part needs to come off. And then it fits like this. And then you can mount it on a tripod. I think this is the wireless microphone that you can clip onto something. Yeah, not sure what this is, but I think I'll have to read the manual for that. And I think I'll also have to read the manual about this one. So now it's all a big mess on my table. And who knows, I will feature the DJI Pocket 2 some more. But as I said, it's actually for another project, but at least the video editing part is probably that I will do later, but probably not very soon. So that's all for today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.